Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering Data Visualization, Lecture 9. In this lecture we will learn about data visualization with Tableau, introduction to Tableau and its features, connecting to data sources in Tableau, building interactive visualizations in Tableau, creating dashboards and storyboards in Tableau, publishing and sharing visualizations in Tableau. Conclusion. Introduction to Tableau and its features. Welcome to this introduction to Tableau and its features. As a data visualization tool, Tableau is a powerful and versatile platform that can help you turn complex data into actionable insights. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive drag-and-drop functionality, Tableau makes it easy to create stunning visualizations that can help you communicate your findings to others. Some of the key features of Tableau include its ability to connect to multiple data sources, its wide range of chart types and customization options, and its ability to create interactive dashboards and storyboards. Whether you're a data analyst, business intelligence professional, or simply someone who wants to explore data in a more meaningful way, Tableau has something to offer. Connecting to data sources in Tableau. To connect to data sources in Tableau, you need to first select the type of data source you want to use. Tableau supports a wide range of data sources, including spreadsheets, databases, and cloud-based data sources. Once you have selected your data source, you need to specify the connection details, such as the server name, database name, and login credentials. Tableau also allows you to preview your data before connecting to ensure that you are connecting to the correct data source. Building interactive visualizations in Tableau. Tableau offers a wide range of chart and graph options to create interactive visualizations. From basic bar charts to complex scatter plots, Tableau has it all. The tool makes it easy to drag and drop data onto the canvas and create visualizations with just a few clicks. One of the key features of Tableau is its ability to create interactive dashboards. Users can add filters and parameters to their visualizations, allowing viewers to interact with the data in real time. This helps to uncover insights that may not be immediately obvious when looking at static charts or graphs. Creating dashboards and storyboards in Tableau. Dashboards and storyboards are powerful features in Tableau that allow you to present your data in a visually compelling way. With dashboards, you can combine multiple visualizations onto a single page to create a comprehensive view of your data. Storyboards, on the other hand, allow you to create an interactive narrative that guides your audience through your data story. Publishing and sharing visualizations in Tableau. To publish and share visualizations in Tableau, you have several options. You can save your visualization as a Tableau workbook or Tableau packaged workbook file. The former is a lightweight file that contains only the metadata necessary to connect to and query the data source, while the latter includes the data source itself. You can also export your visualization as an image, PDF, or Tableau data extract. Once you have saved your visualization, you can share it with others by publishing it to Tableau Server or Tableau Online. This allows you to securely share your work with anyone who has access to the server or online platform. You can also embed your visualization on a website or share it via email or social media. To ensure that your visualization looks its best when shared, be sure to consider the size and resolution of the image or file you are sharing. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned that Tableau is a powerful data visualization tool with many features to help you analyze and present your data in an engaging way. We covered how to connect to different data sources, build interactive visualizations, create dashboards and storyboards, and publish and share your work. With these skills, you can effectively communicate insights and make data-driven decisions. We encourage you to start using Tableau today and explore its full potential. For further learning, Tableau offers a variety of resources such as online tutorials, forums, and user groups. Don't hesitate to reach out to the Tableau community for support and inspiration.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.